Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I don't know about you, but I am a sucker for an adorable t-shirt, and you can't get much cuter than this one. Look how cute this is. I love the graphic on this, the frog and the guitar. It's playful, it's adorable, it's whimsical. I just absolutely love it. I really like how well it's made. It's very soft to wear. It's not aggravating at all. It's got good stitching in it so that you know it's going to last a long time. And this graphic is bright and cheerful and vibrant, even though I have washed it several times. And I probably wear this shirt maybe once a week and then wash it. It's still vibrant and beautiful. I love all of the details in this graphic. You can see the flowers and the petals. You can see the detail in his hat and the texture in his body and his little guitar. Everything about this is artistic, and I just love how whimsical it is. It comes in different colors. I just chose this light pink because I love that color. Again, here is the stitching, and you can see here how well it's made, and you know that it's going to last a really long time. So if you are in the market for a new graphic t-shirt, even if you have a million of them, you can always use one more. Do not overlook this one. It's beautiful, it's comfortable, it's whimsical and adorable, and you are going to fall in love with it as quickly as I did.
And that's my point of view.